What up, people? Sign up. Hey guys, it's Aisha, and I'm back with another video. Let me get my microphone. Right, I think that's better. Maybe, I don't know. So anyway, I'm back with another video, and today I have to redo a video I already did because the video didn't come out right. I was rushing and it just did not turn out how I wanted it to. So I have to redo it. Yeah. So anyway, today I'm going to be trying out this wig I got from UNice hair. Came in this little bag. It's a nice little bag. And I'm sure you've seen this wig all over. It came in this bag as well. All over YouTube, because I've seen it all over YouTube. I'm actually seeing it advertised on a couple of different sites, including UNice and like Nadula, I think that was it is. Anyway, they both use the same pictures of the same YouTuber, but I think UNice is the one that actually had the wig first, or the wig that the YouTuber used. I don't know, because I think UNice was the one that she reviewed, so I'm gonna assume that they're the original. But anyway, yeah, so this is the wig. And like I said, I already made this video, so I already cut the lace and everything, did stuff to it, that I'm gonna have to redo stuff to it and apply it again, because the video was kind of whack. So yeah, I'm gonna try it again. Alright, so I'm gonna take this one off and put this one on. I wish this wig was human hair. It would be so much better if it was human, because I really like it, but it's synthetic, so it puffs up and there's nothing you can do with it after that. You can recurl it, but only like one time. So you better get it right, because it won't do it again. But I really like how it looks on me, but yeah, it needs to be recurled. Tweezers, and I believe this one is a 13x4, because that's all they had left in stock at the time. So it has 1, 2, 3. It has 3 clips inside, and then the band that clips to the back, and a little bit of lace in the back so you can put it up if you want. I've never done that, so I don't know. But you have the option to put it up if you want. You have like a ponytail. I don't know how I feel about this color on me. I thought it looked great on everybody else, so I figured I'd give it a shot, but I don't know. I don't know about this one, Sway. I don't know. We gonna see. Love Me. I got another one from Love Me, and I think this one's glueless. And I have not tried this one yet, but I have seen it, and I'm not happy. But yeah, let's do this one first. Love me, say that you love me. So I'm not gonna use glue, because I don't do that. But I am going to use gel and stuff. That's what we're going to do. It looks like a mullet. So I'm not sure why this thing is so small and tight. Okay, let's try it. So I'm trying to remember my YouTube training. This is what I do. I spray it. Do I spray it? Or do I put gel on it first? I look like an anime character. I look like a Dragon Ball Z character. The hair is very soft. I can run my hands through it. It's very nice. There's a little bit of shedding, but I think that's because I put mousse in it before. When I tried it the first time, I put mousse in it. But this was the same issue I had before, where like the ends were super frizzy and puffy. So I kept putting mousse in it, trying to smooth that, and it never really smoothed down. So yeah, that's the first thing I noticed. Because the girl who like advertises for this, the YouTuber, hers was just like super curly throughout. But of course I think she was sent the wig, so I don't know. But yeah, the one she had was like curly throughout. I don't know if she put like a ton of it didn't seem like it, because I watched her video and it didn't seem like she had to do a whole lot to it to get it like that. So we'll see. And I'm about to just use some Gorilla Glue. Not Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Hair Gel. Gorilla Sport. Gorilla Snot. Don't use Gorilla Glue. That's not a smart idea. Even before the lady did it, it was never a smart idea. Love me when you say that you love me. And I'm just like gelling it to my forehead. I did this before and it was like really stuck. I seriously had to get water. Well, I know you're supposed to do that. You're supposed to get water to get it off. And I seriously had to do that because it was like stuck on my forehead. In my hair. So I put that down. Down with that money on me. Then I'm going to use some Got to Be Glue. Got to Be Glued spray. And spray it down. Honestly, I should have plucked it first. I just realized that. I should have plucked it first. I'm gonna pluck it. Where are my tweezers? Here's my tweezers. So I'm probably gonna plug it and then I'm gonna end up spraying it again. Because I'm making a mess. And I'm not plucking the sides too much because honestly I'm not going to wear this up. And I'm using their head tie, by the way, because I don't care. I'm using their hair tie on this other wig. Alright, so that's dry. Now let's try Yep. This is what it's given. This is what it's given. This is what it's giving me. Yep. I need something, not a comb. Maybe a comb. Okay, so here's the part, I don't know if you can tell, that I did before. That I did in the first time I tried to do this video. Am I gonna make this wider? I wish it was a 13 by 6 because I feel like the part should go deeper. I'm gonna get this together. Give me a minute. Just do I know what I'm doing? Nope. I don't have a hot comb, so I'm using it. And I'm trying really hard not to burn myself. So I'm gonna be really mad. Cause this thing is pretty damn hot. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to fix this. So I got some water. And I got some mousse. And this is Instant Freeze Aussie Maximum Hold. And that's, the mousse is moussing. I'm gonna try to focus on the ends because that is the issue. The ends are the issue. So are you gonna do what you need to do? I also don't want it to be like crunchy though too. Alright, let's try this bit. See what happens. This one is, this side is like, bruh, out of control. Ooh, I think this is gonna be a problem. This side. I just realized, like, what if the YouTuber, when she did it, her hair was just wet the whole time? And that's why I didn't frizz up, because she did the video really quick and the hair was just wet the whole time. But when it dries, it puffs up like a mofo. I was just thinking about that. So I did this the first time. I was like, how the hell did she get it to not puff up? Because even if I have to put in a ton of mousse in it, after it dries, it still seems to puff up if you touch it. So either just don't touch it or keep it wet. I feel like I should get the diffuser out, but I don't feel like it. I don't want to. So I need this out of my eye. Where's my gel? There it is. So I'm gonna try to lay the hair in the front down. I'm not gonna really do baby hairs. I don't really like baby hairs. I never have and I never will. But I want to lay down the front just a bit. Okay, so it feels pretty dry over here. Like at the bottom. At the bottom it feels kind of dry. Yeah. And it looks like it's gonna stay. Like it looks like it's gonna stay curly and not puff up right now. When I go outside, I don't know. No promises. It's probably gonna freak out. It looks better. It looks better than it did the first time. The first time, I was concerned. Right now, it looks a lot better. I did a better job than I did the first time. Good job, Misha. Good job. I like it. I like it. I wasn't sure at first because of the color and everything, but now I like it because I did a better job. So yeah. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I believe this was my first wig I got from them. I think so. I think it was my first wig. Yep. Maybe, maybe not. Let me fix my face real quick. Alright, I am back. So I put some lashes on. I did some makeup. I did a little bit of makeup. Just to go with the hair and everything. First I didn't feel like it, and then I saw the hair on me. I was like, okay, I'll do some makeup. Because I actually I like the hair. It looks good. I like it. And it's completely dry now. I turned the fan on, and everything is dry. And it stayed. The curls and everything stayed. It didn't puff up. It puffed up a little bit. But it didn't get like crazy puffy like it was before when I started this video. And it's not super crunchy. It's like a little crunchy, but it's not crazy crunchy. It's good. It's a nice wig. It's very affordable. I just wish, like I said, it was a 13 by 6. I think they did have that as an option, but at the time it was sold out when I got this, so I can only get the 13 by 4. But I do like it, and I would actually wear it out. Like I said, I did the video a while ago. I did the video like over a month ago, and then I looked at it and I was like, yeah, this video is messed up. Let me do it again. So here you go. But yeah, I like it. I like the highlights and everything. The coloring is really nice, and it was very affordable, especially being for it being a colored highlighted wig. Very nice, very nice. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Let me know if you tried out this wig and what you think of it. Talk to you next time. Bye.